Hello everyone. In this video, I can show you how you are able to short the URL by using our website on your mobile phone. You can search on Google simple Trimlink, and this is the first link you have. You can click that, and now you are able to open our website, and you are see the a short URL form in our website homepage. So if you have a single short URL and you want to testing in our web application, simply paste the URL and select the domain and add your alias. This is optional, that is the alias, and create the link on your website or URL. Now let me show you how you are able to simply you can search in news, latest, in for example, yeah, this is the any news article maybe. Yeah, this is the news. Let me open that. Yeah, this is the news. Let me copy that URL. Copy that complete URL, I think. Okay, cancel. Let me go to the our web application and simply click the paste and select the domain as I know and create Trimlink. Now you are able to open the short link. Simply click the visit icon. Now you are able to redirect them by using short URL. This is your short URL. Now you can see that this is your short URL. Now if you have more than one short URL, now you can go to the our application by using your mobile phone by using sign up form. Simple click here and click here login and sign up forms, both are here. And you, if you are new user, you need to register with us, and if you are existing user, you need to log in with us. So I am using my social media account to log in with that. Let me log in with that my account. Now these are the dashboard. Now in my dashboard you can see that recently I have created a short link by using that news. So that is moved in my account after after I am logged in my account. So URL in our website, for example, search another things, news about uh, AI. So these are the news about the AI. Let me copy that link and simple go back to the website by using create link and paste the destination URL here. And if you want to add the title, otherwise leave the blank. This automatically fetch by using user URL page title. And if you want to add some alias, so you need to add alias, for example, test news, AI news, for example. And if you need to enable the QR code, simply you can enable the QR code. This is the default, and simply click create link. Now the link was created successfully. As you see, the URL of the link is created. These are the short URL is AI-news, that is the alias we have created. Now I need to click that, and that is the open. There is no issue with that, and successfully we have created the short URL with the tracking. Now I am clicking the view details. So now you can see that the total clicks count is 1 because I have clicked that, and the location of devices, engagement over times, and traffic resources, operating system, browser information, all kind of information we receive in our analytics. Now you need to move to global statistics as well. Now you see that the location from Agra in India. So these are the information comes from the in the countries using the India here, and this is the city is Agra, and there is a traffic source once again, link operating system, link browser, and there is the user details. So you can see that every user information comes from the as per the IP geolocations. So that has the complete details on mine. So and that is the very easy to use in mobile phone that type of our short URL application, you are able to use that. This video is very helpful to you, and if you have any suggestion and issue, you can reach out to us, our WhatsApp number or our support emails on our website. Thank you and see you in the next video.